Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. It depends the area where you did. Now you go accept these greetings. Uh, Today video go be short video, and please share, subscribe, and also hit the like button. Yes, because of you now I dey do this particular video so that you go understand some things where they go on in Italy. As a migrant, you need to educate yourself or integrate, make you know the system, how things they work in the country. When I know say since Taliban and the Afghanistan the war start, things they get as it be. You know, most of the white migrants they come to Italy, some they go Germany. And when I know said it, if any year where be like say migrant they will come Italy or Germany or Europe as a whole. White people they come, we will be black. Sometimes the way they take care of us, they reduce them because they teach our country war is not there. So today there are some things where I will explain for you. May it guide you about our payments on our way they camp and on our way done ready to come off for camp and on our way they go spry. How the payments they work inside the spry or out of the spry, or if you want come out, how they need to settle you. In case this video it might not be important to you today or this month or this year, maybe now next year this video will be important. So for you not today confused, I will drop Servizio Centrale. Now they be the head where they look who they go set, how much they supposed pay you for spry, how much things where they supposed do for you in this spry. So this video is very important to you as a migrant. And now let's start from the payment of the immigrants where we did reception center, which is either being in spry or normal camp where we did. So for example, if you go camp as normal, Italy they never put any one law say this law now they go use they pay people where they camp. You understand? The money where they give each person now the same amount they give. For example, if na 70 euro per each person, now so the whole Italy they put and say 70 euro per a day for each migrant. But the camp owners, which is the reception center, every camp owners or operators get the way that 70 euro where they give her, in get the way where he won't spend that money on you. So that's why some camp they they day in the same area where you did. For example, Asti, 2 camps 9 day here. Example now I give you these 2 camp all na black na immigrant day there. But if you go the first camp, maybe they know they cook for them. Then they give them food, feeding money and pocket money. Sometimes the pocket money you go here say they say a day now €2.50. So in a month, normally pocket money where Italy here they pay maybe 70 euro, 75 euro, or 80 euro they pay. Some regions, some area like Suculiana, Sicily, some area 35 euro, some area na 40 euro. So the camp owners now them go decide whether we go feed you or now you go feed yourself. And again, whether now we go do dispenser for you, we go share them for una cook, or we go pay una every month, una go come they cook the food by una self. That decision cannot be taken by Italian prefectura or the questura. It can be taken only the camp owners, people where they operate the camp. That's why in case if you carry go meet prefectura, say your camp, they feed you. That can't complain. They know the truth they mind. Because the most important is that they feed you. If they know they feed you, that one they go feed acceptance. Now, second, the payment of the money. If in case your camp there is a rule when the day when you come, they give you agreement paper, you sign that paper. You see, say they will tell you say every day now €2.50. Some camp it depends. Some camp today will say now €2. So some camp today get some law where the camp say if you not sleep for the camp a day, that money they not go pay you. Some camp today go still do some trickish law. That trickish law, then they say they go say if maybe they don't put you for GPI and you know they go the GPI school, they go reduce that money, they not go pay you pocket money. So for example, Monday to Friday, you supposed go to GPI school throughout the week and you fail, you not go to school. Meaning said that 5 days, your pocket money, they go deduct from your account. These rules, now the camps go fit take decision. Even though you call Servizio Centrale, they not go fit reply you or answer you this particular question. We go into things where you can report to the Servizio Centrale and they go assist you, they go give you help. For example, you don't go Germany, you don't come back to Italy, and you won't enter another camp. If they had you don't go prefectura, things still, they were. You can call direct the Servizio Centrale. The Servizio Centrale, they will help you, they will put you for another camp with agreement. Say, in case if you still leave that camp, if you call them again, they don't go assist you again. That one, awaiting Servizio Centrale, they go do for you. So in case your camp where you day, then they pay pocket money 75 euro per each person. And feeding money 150 euro per each person. So a month in total they will pay you almost 225 euro per person. So now if una be husband and wife, meaning so una will receive almost 450 euro per a month. Now the moment where una go get picking, say for example una come before family, nothing said that money where they pay where you with your wife, una they receive 450 a month, each person 225 euro. So if una before, meaning say una go get almost 850 euro or close to 900 euro. No, the more the numbers they increase, the lower you go receive money. So there are numbers where you go reach. For example, if una day like 5 people or 4, they will pay only 3 people, and the 2 people will join, they don't go pay them, especially on the feed money and the pocket money. They go reduce them. Maybe they go share the money into 2 or 3. They go pay half for una. These things, even though you call prefectura or Servizio Centrale, they cannot solve it for you, because the camp people now their general rule where they the cooperative where you day. So that thing we need to be very, very careful, because most of the migrants where they arrive new, this loss we don't know. So me as I come, so they pay my wife 200, me 200. And my mind tell me say, yeah, then my born. If I they born, they go increase the money. You are mistaken. You are doing something wrong. At the end of the day, if you not take care, you will go they fight. The camp people say why they know they pay full money for you, but because you don't know the law and you don't want to know. That's why I say you need to watch this video and understand it very, very well. Share to your friend where they camp, where they understand some things well. Now, going to the settlement for the people who are on a spry, especially those who have asilo, political, and subsidiary protections. Normally, a general law for Italy here is to rent apartments where they go pay up to 4 months for you, up to 6 months, excuse me, up to 6 months for you. And again, they go pay light bill, gas bill, and if your area, then they pay water bill direct. They go pay that water bill for the first bills where go come. Listen, the first bills where they come. So throughout that 6 months where they pay the house rent, now only first bill where go come, now they go come pay for you. Finito. From there, now you go pay that bill where go come. So your 6 months go reach, you go continue they pay. Now there is something where Italy here they call cauzione, if I'm not wrong. This cauzione, now the landlord will get the house where on a go rent. So for example, your apartment where you rent, your landlord said the apartment every month now 400 euro. So the camp people they go pay 400 times 6. They go pay to your landlord. My mathematics are no good, so I no go fit tell when I understand. So 400 times 6 they go pay. But in the cauzione issue, Servizio Centrale, not be them go pay cauzione money, or your camp where they day, not be them won't pay that cauzione for you. In case if you go meet house where cauzione day, them they not go pay the cauzione. So in case if you day camp, you won't come out and you dey find house, try your best. Maybe either you go gather money for the cauzione, or you go find house where that house, they know they collect any cauzione. But if you bring Italy houses, people where they rent houses for Italy here, more than 80% of Italy housing, they pay this cauzione. What is the meaning of this cauzione? The cauzione, you won't pay for the landlord. In case if you can't stay house, African people, you know, say we like fight where. Some of the women, some of the men, if them with their wife, they fight. The property where they the house, now they scatter. So the cauzione where you don't pay, normally they collect 2 or 3 months. Now most people they collect 2 or 3 months. So that money where you pay, in case if your stupidity let you scatter something where belong to the landlord, the day where you go maybe future you say you want pack come up for the landlord in house, that money where you pay for cauzione, now they go come control throughout the house. May they see whether since you come the house you don't scatter something for the house, they go use your cauzione money to pay that. But in case you na gentle person, you and your wife, on another scatter family, when I come protect the house, nothing spoil. The day where you won't come up for the camp, the house, maybe you don't get another apartment, you won't move. That cauzione, now they go you stay they go give you your caution back. But in most cases, if your landlord see say you the house, you never scatter anything. Maybe if na 2 months caution you pay for her, he go tell you say the last 2 months house rent, may you not pay. You go use your caution to cover her up. So the caution is very, very important. Most people they follow camp people, they fight for this particular caution issue. The camp people not be their right to pay the caution. You where you won't stay the house, now you go pay, because that money, if you not scatter anything, the moment where you won't come off for the camp, they go you won't come up for the house, the apartment, the landlord go return back your money for you. So caution account people, they know they pay. I think you get me right. Now, one problem where migrants with the encounter about how much rent, the amount of the house where camp people they go agree pay. Some places camp people go tell you say no rent house where pass 400, no rent house where pass 300. In all, there is no general law where show say now this particular house you need to rent, or this particular house now you supposed not rent. It depends on the camp people. If you be good person to them, or you be person where they know say this person we not fee cheat the person, normally they go allow you to find the house where be like say it is okay for you, but the house, their minimum amount where they go, a maximum amount where they go tell you say at least may you not pass 500. Because for example, as an immigrant where you won't go rent house, if you go rent apartment where cost you at least getting to 700 euro per month, camp people they go deny you, they not go pay that money for you, or even though they go pay instead of 6 months, they will just pay like 3 months for you, which is the thing you go against you. So you go pay attention on that. You go know the type of house where you go find, because them now only 6 months they won't pay for you. After 6 months now you won't continue. They pay all these things where the house, you understand, you go pay for life. For example, someday they ask, what about the condominium? If your house, for example, there is condominium join the house where you dey, the camp people, if they won't pay that 6 months, all the condominiums where the house, they go pay and join you. What about the declaration of the house? Yes, normally they go buy the value for the house if the house you not get. One thing where I go advise migrants who when I won't go out of camp, if you find a house, try when you find a house where be like empty house, you understand, a water house now you need, not find house where be like say you don't piano. Because if the house don't already full, the things where they supposed buy for you, they not go buy and they not go give you money. So it's very important for you to find empty house, so that those property where the camp people they go buy for you, it will be your own property. In future, if in Africa you want ship and go, the likes of your TV, the likes of your Divano, all these cooking utensils and a lot of things, camp people they go buy for you where they go decorate the house. But in case you go find house where the house landlord don't already own all those property where the camp people they not go buy, and that time now them don't win. So if you be migrant and you won't come up for camp, try your best as much as you can. May you find house where the house it is empty, so that this property where they talk, it go come be your own. You know go be the camp people own. Now, I drop the Servicio Centrale their number for you. So in case if you want to call them for enquiries about some things where they need to use to settle you, especially that 6 months house rentage where they need to pay for you, where they don't want pay. And again, you know, say if una be couple or una be you be single, that 6 months they need to pay. But most camp, especially single boys, they know they like to settle them where they will say this and that. So you, this person, this Servicio Centrale number, it will help you, because the last stands for everybody being a single mother or a single father, or being a couple. That 6 months they need to pay. In case if your mind they tell you say, me I get wife, I get 2 children. So why they know they double, they pay 6 months for everybody. So for example, if you get 4 children, 2 children plus your wife, now go be 4. So meaning 6 times 4 go be, if I'm not wrong, 24. You understand? So you think they go pay 1 year for you? No, they know they pay. Hey, they go pay 2 years. Sorry, you. My math's no good. You think say they go pay 2 years for you? No, they not go pay 2 years and they not go pay 1 year. Sometimes it depends. Maybe the house where you go find the house too cheap. Maybe your house now €2 per month. The camp people feel consider you say the house is here, so maybe we pay 1 year for you. But now calculate and say if you get 5 children, meaning say they go pay 6 months for each of the people who on a day the family. No, the 6 months now for a family, for the unit, all the family people. Now they won't pay this particular 6 months for owner. So now so it be born and no go fight say because we are 3 family they need to pay 6 months for each person where they the house. No, so far as they don't give an agreement of a family, now that particular 6 months now they important where Servicio Centrale they recognize. In case if you are a single boys now they use this thing they do, and I don't know why. Mostly before your project won't expire, they go tell you say find house. The house you go try, but you know they get. But normally now the camp people they supposed find the house for you. They go pay that 6 months for you. So in case if you encounter some problem, they don't want to to you because you are a single boy. Try to call Servicio Centrale and obligatory say they need to pay that 6 months for you. May you go stay. In case if they tell you say go find house for black hand, may they pay for you. Tell them say no, Italy law no they allow that. You need to get your own house contract so that it will really help you for a lot of things where you need to do in the country. Thank you for watching and liking and sharing also the video. This is the Servicio Centrale, their number. In case if you there outside Italy, you go put plus 390 67 69 80 811. I repeat, plus 390 67 69 80 811. So now so the number be. In case if you there Italy, you won't call in Italy here, you can call 067 69 80 811. 067 69 80 811. If you call Servicio Centrale, you with them go talk and they go put you through anything where camp people they want cheat you about. You go talk to them. Now so the thing, the matter it a play. Thank you where you share the video. May God bless you. Until next time, adios.